Hello?
Hi.
Hi?
Hello.
Requested song again tayo.
Nice.
May mga nagre-request kay Robin eh. Pakita
Okay.
mo si Robin.
This is one of my favorite songs. I like this song.
Now Robin is coming back.
Wow.
Singing How Did You? I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. Oh, idol.
My life started to change.
Requested.
I'd wake up each day feeling alright.
Gustuhan niyo
With
kanta natin.
you right by my side makes me feel things will walk up just fine.
How did you know I needed someone like you in my life?
Wow.
That there's some empty space in my heart. You
Nice.
came at the right time in my life. Go ahead.
I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had.
I guess
I
what
guess
I'm
what I'm
really
really
trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Talaga, binili
How
talaga
did
niya.
you know I needed
Mas magaling talaga
someone
sa
like you in my life?
Balatuan mo ba?
That there's
Hindi ka
an
na dalawang
empty
jacket.
space
Sa tayo,
in my heart. You came
Diba?
at the right
Sing pa mo,
time
intro.
in my
Yeah.
life.
I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and take all the worries and fears that I had.
I
I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Thanks for singing with Robin Manilla at your service. 365 days a year.
A year.